We've all felt it. That high-pitched whine, circling closer. Then, the unmistakable prick on your skin. Mosquitoes. They're more than just a nuisance. These tiny bloodsuckers are the deadliest animals on Earth. Malaria, dengue, Zika. These diseases, spread by mosquitoes, kill over 1 million people every year. And scientists are working hard to find new ways to fight back. Why do these insects target some of us more than others? What's going on with our bodies that makes them so appealing? The answer, it turns out, is a complex cocktail of scents, genetics, and even what you wear. Mosquitoes are finely tuned to find their next meal. They use an arsenal of senses to zero in on their victims. But before we delve into the how, let's explore the why. These tiny insects aren't out to get us, not personally anyway. They need our blood. It's fuel for their eggs, and they're very good at getting it. Ever feel like you're a mosquito magnet? You're not alone. These buzzing bloodsuckers are picky eaters. They have their preferences. And some of us are simply more delicious than others. Why? Let's start with what we exhale. Carbon dioxide. It's the gas we breathe out with every breath, and mosquitoes can smell it from up to 50 meters away. Think of it like a beacon guiding them straight to you. Pregnant women and larger people naturally exhale more CO2, making them prime targets. But it's not just about size. Our skin is a bustling metropolis of bacteria, and these microscopic tenants play a significant role in how we smell. When bacteria mingle with our sweat, they produce a feast of scents that mosquitoes find irresistible. Lactic acid, ammonia, these are like perfume to a mosquito. People with a higher abundance of certain bacteria, like Staphylococcus, seem to be particularly alluring. But it gets even weirder. Our blood type matters too. If you're type O, you're twice as likely to attract a mosquito compared to someone with type A blood. And if you're pregnant or have a higher body temperature, you're even more appealing. Heat is like a giant neon sign for dinner's ready. We've been battling mosquitoes for centuries. From swatting them with rolled-up newspapers to dousing ourselves in bug spray, the fight is never-ending. But as mosquitoes evolve, so do our weapons. In the 20th century, DDT was hailed as a miracle solution. This powerful insecticide decimated mosquito populations, saving countless lives from malaria. But victory came at a cost. DDT's harmful effects on wildlife and the environment became tragically clear. We needed a new strategy. Enter the era of genetic warfare. Scientists have engineered mosquitoes with a self-destruct button. These genetically modified males, when released into the wild, mate with females, passing on a lethal gene to their offspring. The result? Drastically reduced mosquito populations. This innovative approach has already shown remarkable success in Brazil and Florida. But it doesn't stop there. Scientists are exploring even more futuristic solutions. CRISPR gene drives, for instance, could spread infertility genes through entire mosquito populations. Imagine a world where mosquitoes simply stop reproducing. It sounds like science fiction, but it could be the future of mosquito control. Section 4: Ethical Extinction. Playing God or saving lives. The idea of wiping out an entire species can feel unsettling, even a species as bothersome as the mosquito. Are we playing God with the delicate balance of nature? It's a question that scientists and ethicists grapple with constantly. Mosquitoes, despite their blood-sucking habits, play a role in the ecosystem. They pollinate plants and serve as food for other animals. But the species targeted for eradication are those that pose the greatest threat to human health. These disease-carrying mosquitoes often occupy a niche that wouldn't cause significant ecological disruption if they disappeared. The potential benefits of eradication are enormous, saving millions of lives, reducing the burden of disease, and freeing up resources for other public health priorities. But the risks, however small, must be carefully weighed. We need to ensure that our solutions are targeted, effective, and safe for both humans and the environment. The debate over mosquito eradication is complex. There are no easy answers. But one thing is clear: the fight against these deadly insects is far from over. Section 5: A world of itch diseases and hotspots. Mosquito bites are more than just itchy annoyances. They can be conduits for a host of debilitating and deadly diseases. Malaria, dengue, Zika, chikungunya, these are just a few of the threats lurking in the wings. Malaria, a parasitic infection, is perhaps the most well-known and devastating. It primarily plagues sub-Saharan Africa, where it claims the lives of hundreds of thousands of children each year. Dengue, another viral menace, is on the rise globally, with outbreaks occurring in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Zika virus, notorious for causing birth defects, has spread through the Americas, leaving a trail of fear and uncertainty. These diseases thrive in warm, humid climates where mosquitoes flourish. But as global temperatures rise, so does the threat of mosquito-borne illnesses spreading to new regions. What was once a problem confined to tropical countries is becoming an increasing concern worldwide. Thankfully, we're not defenseless. Treatments for these diseases exist, and scientists are making strides in developing effective vaccines. But prevention, as they say, is the best medicine. And that starts with understanding the risks and taking steps to protect ourselves. Medications like chloroquine and artemisinin-based combination therapies, or ACTs, are crucial in treating malaria. Additionally, the RTS/AS01 vaccine, known as Mosquitoes, is being used to prevent malaria in children. With these treatments and preventive measures, we can combat the spread of mosquito-borne diseases effectively. Section 6. Buzz off, personal protection and the future of the fight. How can you avoid becoming a mosquito buffet? Dress in light colors, use long sleeves, and apply repellents with DEET or picaridin. Innovative solutions like mRNA vaccines and spatial repellents show promise. Stay informed and take preventative measures to protect yourself and future generations.